Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to be back. Today's video is super easy. I'm going to show you how to make a ring that is adjustable, thin, and elegant so we can get straight into it. To get started, we're going to need our 18 gauge wire, so I cut about 4 inches of that. And then take whatever bead you're using. I'm using a fake pearl, and just slide it onto your wire and gently fold it in half. You can put that aside, and now we have to cut our 28 gauge wire. I cut about 5 or 6 inches. You're not going to need that many, but having extra makes it easier to wrap. Alright, now we can go back to our piece of wire with the bead, and I recommend holding it with your fingers underneath the bead so that it doesn't move much. And we can take our thin piece of wire and we're just going to slide it through that bead. And now we can secure it. Now pinch one end of your wire so that everything stays in place, and now we can start our coils. So to do this, you simply take your thinner wire and wrap it around in circles against your thicker wire, so you're just going up and over a few times to your desired length. It doesn't matter how many times you do this, it's all about how you want your ring to look. And once you get to your desired length, take your coils and pinch them together just so that everything is clean, you have no bumps, and it's just nice looking. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Just go around in circles, make your coils to your desired length, and once you've got that, you can pinch both ends together. And it should look something like this. Next, we can cut off all this extra wire, so just get as close as you can to the band with your wire cutters and just snip off the extra wire. And then you'll have little frays sticking out. To fix this, you can just take your pliers and just sort of smush down the wire against the coils. And this makes everything tight and secure. And then you're going to do this to your other side as well. And once you've done that, squish everything together, make sure everything is in place, and it looks so beautiful already. Look at that. Now we can take our wire to the mandrel and go to whatever size you need and wrap your wire around. So we got that nice circle shape, and then you can take it off the mandrel. I think making a ring adjustable makes it easier for everyone, so to do that, you're going to want to cut off most of your extra wire, but between both of the pieces of wire that overlap, you're going to want to have about 1/2 inch. Once your extra wire is cut, you can take your pliers at the end of your wire and rotate your hand in a circle motion, and it creates a circle into the wire, and just take your pliers and cinch it up. And there is one end done, and do that on the other end. Circle motion with your hand, close it, boom, there you go. Then just make sure both ends are flat, and you're done. Here is the final ring. I think it turned out absolutely stunning. I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope it was helpful, and especially if you're giving this ring as a gift, or if you don't know your ring size, I think adjustable rings make it all better. So I think this is so fun, and I love it. I love my own videos. So I hope you all have an amazing day, and thank you all so much for watching.